This Audiomack is an on-demand audio discovery and music streaming application or platform that allows users to upload music files and podcasts without restrictions via the Audiomack website or mobile app. These are the musicians and audio artists, and they use this system that I'm going to share with you to distribute their work to other people. Many people use and buy Audiomack followers because they provide the best services ever. If you're a musician or a composer, you may use this platform to share your work. Now, gaining followers and building a following might be a time-consuming endeavor. However, certain websites allow you to develop your audience and you acquire more followers considerably faster. So today, we'll talk about one of the best and cheapest websites to buy Audiomack followers right now. This video is special for you because today I'm going to show you a new way to grow on Audiomack, which gives you real followers, not any bots, which will draw up and block the account. In this video, we will get real users who stay with us forever. I also want to assure you that this way works with any device, be it a computer, iPhone or Android. Let's get started. Now, let's open any browser. It's going to be Safari, Google, Chrome or Mozilla. It doesn't matter. I open Google Chrome and open Google Search. Now we need to type your keyword is SMM Roladel and click search. Now open the first page and it will take you to the website. Once you are on the home page like this, you need to go ahead and click the sign up button here. Once you've done this, you'll be on this page, and when you're on this page, you need to fill out this form with your correct information. After everything, you'll be taken to your account dashboard like this, and as you can see, your account balance is zero fund. Now, what you need to do is to set the amount to how much you're willing to spend. If you want to hit 500,000 followers, you need to check the price by going to the services page. Once you're on the service page, you have to click here to see all the available services on this platform. You can see YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Audiomack, Twitter, Telegram, and many more. Some services are more expensive than others, but Audiomack is one of the cheapest here. So click on Audiomack and you will see all the available services for Audiomack. You can see Audiomack's play, and you can see the price as well, and Audiomack followers. I'm 100% sure that this price is very affordable, but most of you might think this price may seem quite high, but it can actually be a pretty good investment for you, because it now means that once you hit the monetization threshold, you will actually start to earn that money back and on all my accounts. Once I had the followers and started posting, they pays them, and I started to make my money back because this platform doesn't use bot traffic to promote music. So now, click order now, and it will take you to this page where you will need to add your Audiomack profile link and number of followers you need to get. This is the minimum and maximum number you need, which means they will promote your profile until you hit exactly what you're expecting. Now you can scroll down to this to see the preview of what you want to order. Once you finish everything here, click here and your profile will appear as an advertisement alongside them to start your promotion. Be sure to add funds to your account by going to this page and click add fund. As you can see, you have different payment methods to use, which include paystack, manual transfer, and many more. If your preferred payment method isn't available here, you can contact the website, the WhatsApp icon or email to get more payment options. When that's all done, it takes 24 to 48 hours for your campaign to go live, and you will start seeing results on your profile. If your promotion has been disapproved, they will tell you why, and you can make those changes in order to allow your promotion to be approved. Once you have your ads running, you need to let them run for 3 to 14 days. After 3 days, you need to look at the music, which music had the most followers, and then wait for others to complete. So now you can go ahead and follow the guide, which I have shown you to get 1,000 subscribers in just 3 days. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.